This 2019 Cruiser RV MPG Ultralight Series M2750BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used cruiser RV is 25 feet 11 inches in length and features one Slideout, sleeps 8, auxiliary battery, awning, LP detector, Slideout, refrigerator, water heater, stovetop burner, smoke detector, leveling jacks, microwave, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Cruiser RV MPG Ultralight Series M2750BH is 6,300 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.